Kasang Trinamal Congress apa Meghalaya kala pendi pajak ye kemat election lani ke manifesto mendagasngi ka arp sauterik ukuran kon arajar arpulai. Khani ka jing pelai pajak ye kemat election le dalang Dr. Abhishek Banerjee upolong General Secretary Jong Seng. Terkait ke dalang Dr. Mukul Sangma ubasas mengerup buat dia kini lam Jong Seng. Kemat ye election ki kentup shpoteli ki jing kular kentup ye ke jing roi kapar ka kot khia ka jing wan rapat ye chong sok chong sanya ka jela ka jing yokam ya jam ye ki samla bat khamtam Kau orang ban wengno dan penduduk ia ke MOU kebersamaan penengah Meghalaya berkasam kebiri mentah ke kaput. Lengma kini kimat jala election Dr. Mukul Sangma khot uwe dia baru waktu ke parti kebetulan ke MDA bagi penyesuaian bagi TMC nam tak ada sensar khadar ke bakhambha.
Having seen what has happened in the last 5 years, it's time for all those friends who are member of all those political parties who forms the present dispensation of the ruling conglomerate to decide. Leave those parties and be part of our team, Meghalaya TMC. We welcome them. Those who think that they can insulate themselves from those people who engage themselves and who are busy in self-centric agendas, who have deviated completely from the priority which revolves around the larger interests of the people and larger interests of the state. It's very painful for us, particularly for people who have been part and parcel of this journey of building this beautiful state. With such a long innings in public life, to see the state that we have been able to build and position it thus far has been systematically dismantled by this present dispensation, dislocating the whole momentum of growth and development. Bringing pain and agony amongst people belonging to all walks of life. Be it the teachers, be it the government employees, be it those most vulnerable group of people, people with disabilities, the single mothers, the old, infirm. Everybody has been victim of these governments' anti-people attitude and their self-centric priorities that they have engaged themselves for during the last 5 years.
People of our hill state want a change, and Meghalaya TMC shall be the torchbearer for a transformational change in Meghalaya. TMC's 10 pledges for Meghalaya are our solemn duties that we will fulfill in mission mode to bring the best governance to you. TMC's election manifesto highlights our vision and way forward in turning Meghalaya into a model state for us all. Today, let's recommit to fight against all odds and bring back the lost glory of our state.